Good morning, everybody. I'm Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Agestro Money Guru and TusharGlobalServices.com. Welcome all of you today on 29th December 2022. In this episode, we will discuss about Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So, if you look at the global markets and especially US markets, fell again yesterday as Apple, which is the uh, high market capital stock in all three indices, whether it is Dow Jones, Nasdaq, or S&P 500, fell by around 3%. And also, if you look at the Dow Jones on the annual basis, then we can see that it is down by around 9 to 10%. And Nasdaq was down by around 35%, and S&P 500 is down by around 20% in this calendar year till now. So if we especially look at the US markets, this year have been a very bad year, especially for the US markets. And if we compare it with other years, then we can see that it is the highest fall after 2008 recession. So this inflation issue in US is very alarming and very tenseful for the especially US economy. But if we see the Indian markets, then we can see that if we see the Nifty for this calendar year till now, it is up by around 4%. So comparing it with the Nasdaq, which was 35% down, S&P 500 which was 20% down, Dow Jones which was 9 to 10% down, the Indian markets and major index Nifty is up by 4 by around 4%. This itself shows how well the Indian markets have performed, and if we calculate it for the recent high which was at around 18,800, then the return will be much higher also. So despite of high selling by the foreign institutional investors, the Indian markets is holding its strength and performing well comparing to the other global markets. So if you look at the short term perspective, then we can see that the Nifty-Bank Nifty and especially Indian markets, since today is the monthly expiry also and global sentiments are not very good. Also, the Japanese central bank is increasing their bond purchases, and every day new horrific images of COVID is coming from China, and the risks are increasing day by day for the India also. Therefore, it is time to wait and watch, and for the short term, some volatility can be seen in today's session. Along with some profit booking also can be seen, since the global markets are under pressure, whether it is Asian markets or US markets or European markets, all are under pressure. So in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, some profit booking can be seen in today's session along with volatility. You should go through our standard disclaimer also that all these information, research and analysis are purely for research, training and educational purposes. We will not be responsible for any profits or loss. And if you take any trade, you should first consult your personal financial advisor. So that's all for the today's episode. I hope you liked our analysis. Thank you and good day.
दोस्तों नमस्कार। फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजी हमेशा से ही चमत्कृत रिजल्ट देने में मशहूर रही है। अमेरिकन फेमस इन्वेस्टर सर जेपी मॉर्गन ने तो यहाँ तक कह दिया, एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज़ नॉट फॉर मिलियनर्स बट इट इज़ फॉर बिलियनर्स। दोस्तों, भारतीय सिस्टम और इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ एनालिसिस जो यानी फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजी, इसकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेज हम लोग कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं पिछले लगभग 22 सालों से। इस रहस्यमयी विद्या जो कि पहले के ज़माने में रिश्तेदार अपने बिल्कुल नज़दीक रिश्तेदार से भी छुपा के रखता था, और यही वजह रही कि इसके ऊपर रिसर्च बहुत कम हो पाई। लेकिन पिछले 25 सालों से हम लगातार इसमें प्रयासरत रहे हैं। मोतियों को जोड़ के एक माला बना दी है हमने, और ऑनलाइन फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजी ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज शुरू कर रखे हैं। इसमें कमोडिटी मार्केट, एग्रो कमोडिटीज़, बुलियन, मेटल, क्रूड ऑयल, स्टॉक मार्केट, करेंसी मार्केट, इन सभी का विश्लेषण बहुत सटीकता से करना संभव है और हम लगातार इसका लाइव एग्जाम्पल अपने चैनल पर दे रहे हैं। चाहे वो कॉटन सीड हो, कॉटन हो, क्रूड ऑयल हो, स्टील हो, कोल हो, पॉलीमर्स हो, निफ्टी हो, बैंक निफ्टी हो, इन सभी पर विशेष अग्रिम रिसर्च, एडवांस मूवमेंट, इसका क्या हो सकता है, मानसून हो, ये संभव है और बहुत सटीकता से इसे हजारों हजार लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। आप भी सीख सकते हैं, घर बैठे सीख सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लासेस के जरिए। सैटरडे संडे क्लासेस हैं, आप चाहें तो आप संपर्क कर सकते हैं। नंबर स्क्रीन पे है। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, गुड लक।